Hi there, today we're going to look at a lesson on subtraction. We're going to be using the compact column method today, subtracting 4-digit numbers. I've written the steps to success out here, so we'll just quickly run through them, then we'll go and have a look at an example together. So the first step that we're going to do, you're going to identify your numbers into the columns, and it's really important at that point that we check the place value, that we've got all our numbers in the correct columns. Second step, we're subtracting the ones and exchanging if necessary, so we'll have a look at that. Moving on to the tens, then onto the hundreds, then onto the thousands before we get our final answer. So if we have a look over here, the first calculation I've got up here is 7,514. Take away 2,436. So according to my steps to success, I'm going to get those put into the columns now. So I'm going to head up my columns. Number, so I'm starting at thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. Make sure my number's going really accurately now. So 7,514. Take away 2,436. Okay, really encouraging that, making sure that those columns, those numbers are in the correct columns. So starting at the ones, according to my steps of success, we do 4 minus 6. Obviously we can't do that, so it's an exchanging involved. So we're going to move over to our tens column. I'm going to take that 10 from there, which is going to make it a 0, and I'm going to move my 10 over into my ones column. Therefore that 10's become 14, so it's 14 take away 6. Write our answer down. Okay, moving on to the tens column, following my steps to success again. So I've now got 0 tens, take away 3 tens. Obviously, again, I can't do it, so moving on to my hundreds, I'm going to exchange one of those over. So I'm going to take one of my hundreds away from here, making that 4 hundreds in that column, put my 1 here. So I've got 10 tens now. All right, so I'm doing 10 tens, take away 3 tens, which is going to give me 7 tens. Okay, moving on again into my hundreds. 4 hundreds, take away 4 hundreds, I'm just going to be 0. Moving on to my thousands, 7 thousands, take away 2 thousands, 5,000. Okay, underlining your answer, and also there just double checking that that answer makes sense. Obviously, because we're doing a subtraction, the answer is going to be smaller than the numbers I started with. So 7,514, take away 2,436, gives us 5,078. Have a go following those steps to success, making sure we're following the order and always checking the place value.